Welcome to Micropolis and welcome to Make It in the Emirates, which has firmly become the flagship manufacturing event in the region where innovation and technology take a center stage. Now, throughout the days, this event will serve as a platform where investors, manufacturers, and many stakeholders will be able to meet, discuss at the highest levels. Now, we are told that there are 143 billion dirhams of offset agreements in place, which is sure to set the tone for the future of manufacturing, not just in the region, but globally. Now, we're going to be looking around at some of the interesting exhibitions, talking to some of the movers and shakers and interviews. I'm Alf Sarper, reporting for Economy, Middle East. This influential platform continues to drive global partnerships, highlight advanced technologies, and reinforce the UAE's position as a leading hub for industrial growth and opportunity. Now, this year, there is truly a lot to see here at Make It in the Emirates, from ships to autonomous vehicles to flying autonomous vehicles, satellites, and many, many more. This is truly become an exhibition that showcases the latest in technology, the latest in made in the Emirates technology. Now, here we are looking at some of the more interesting autonomous vehicles that are on display here at Make It in the Emirates. And I want to start with Micropolis Robotics, which is a homegrown, rather impressive company that was, as a matter of fact, listed on the New York Stock Exchange just 2 months ago. Now, here you have an autonomous police vehicle. Now, this vehicle has a radar, a LiDAR that is used for 3D mapping, and this vehicle will be used by the police to kind of crowd control and many, many different things. Now, here's another autonomous vehicle by Micropolis Robotics, which is used for environmental purposes. This, as a matter of fact, is used for Environmental Agency of Abu Dhabi. And again, made of a steel composite. It's 4-wheel drive, it's autonomous. It has a drone right at the top, so it can map the area. And it is just quite simply a magnificent looking vehicle. And one more detail, right over here, you've got in the front bit a mechanism where you can use for seeding and all sorts of different things that you might need in agriculture. Truly, truly impressive bits of machinery right here at Make It in the Emirates. Now, autonomous vehicles are definitely a theme here at Make It in the Emirates, and here I'm standing at the stand of ATRC, Abu Dhabi Technology and Research Center. Underneath, they have a couple of very unique companies that concentrate in not just autonomous vehicles, but autonomous aerial vehicles as well. But the one I want to talk about is the Abu Dhabi Racing League. This that you see beside me is a Super Formula Series car. Now, what they've done over here is they've taken the car, they've taken all the manual bits that a human drives, and they've put an autonomous driving technology. And they actually run a yearly competition as well. Of course, it's going to get more elaborate and more competitive. But I think this could really be the future of racing autonomous Formula Ones. Let's continue looking at some of the other interesting exhibitions here at Make It in the Emirates. Now, we all know that the Soviets were the first to orbit the Earth and the Americans to land on the moon. However, the UAE has a very interesting company, the Emirates Precision Industries. And this particular company has also been a part of the Mars mission. As a matter of fact, it has manufactured 68 essential parts for the Mars mission and for the HOPE module.